Hi, how's it going, guys? Hope you're all doing well. About 3 months ago, I touched on GitHub Copilot. I had signed up for the technical preview, and after 3 months of using it, I must say it is a must-have extension. Some of you have probably seen it in action, and others have been asking about it in some of the recent videos I've put out over the past 3 months. I've tried it on React, React Native, and Django projects, and I don't have many issues with it other than the fact that it can get a bit irritating here and there with code suggestions that I don't really need. And you've probably noticed this in some videos like this one here. Now, I'll continue to use GitHub Copilot mainly because it saves me time. For example, if I'm writing out a function, or let's say I'm building a form with several inputs, I can use the autocomplete or code suggestions to complete the function or code if the suggestions are what I was going to implement. And you can see some examples in the video here. So for those who are listening, I'm writing out a function to calculate the difference between two given dates. Using GitHub Copilot, I can simply accept the code suggestions it gives me and edit the function afterwards. And if I accept all the suggestions here, I get a function that returns the number of days between two different dates. And here I'm building out a form that requires the user to fill in their personal details such as name, email, mobile number, and address. Now using GitHub Copilot, I don't have to write out each input. I can simply hit tab on each suggestion I get. Another benefit of using GitHub Copilot, and this is something I touched on in the previous video, is that if you're specific with your function or variable names, GitHub Copilot will generate the code for you. This works well for functions like the date calculation and for creating variables. So for example, if I want to generate an array of names, like in this example here, I can simply name my variable and it will suggest some values based on the variable name. It also assists you with generating comments and text. So if you want to add a comment to a function or a component, it helps with that as well. And some of the suggested comments I've been getting have been pretty good. What's also nice about the suggestions is that you have several options to choose from. So for example, when creating a variable like an array of names, you have the option to choose from various arrays. And that's been my experience with GitHub Copilot. You can still sign up to join the technical review if you'd like to have the extension. It's available for VS Code, JetBrains, and NeoVim. I hope this video was helpful. Till next time, cheers.